Hello, this is a demonstration that this product that I bought and was sent to me, this switch box, does not work. It is broken or whatever, it is rubbish. So I'll just demonstrate just to make sure that the inputs and outputs work without the switch box, so there's not a problem with the cables or anything. So let me do that now. So I've got here at the moment, I've got my Mac laptop, and there's the external screen, and so you'll see here I've got the HDMI output here, so that's going out to my screen. So the cable works fine, no problem. And the screen, of course, if I move that over here, and move that here into my other laptop, you will see when I get it in, you'll see now that again that's the different same screen but with a different output now to this laptop. So that cable works fine, the screen's fine, and now I'll show that the what do they call it, the switch box doesn't work. Right, so what I'll do, I'll move this cable here into the switch box as the output. So here's the switch box, it's got cables here. Here is the output cable to the screen. There it is there. So that's the output to the screen, no problem. Here's the other cables to my so here's the laptop, one of the laptops, and so I see that one in, and there's the other one here that I had from the Mac.
Still to get my tyre fixed.
And you'll see when so that's input, and everything is switched. Now we should be able to now if it was working, we should be able to see that screen. It's not, and we've pressed the button and so on, so you'll see there that it's not working at all. So all the cables there, they will work, the screen works, the switch doesn't, so it's rubbish. So you need to replace it, or refund. Yeah, I'm certainly not going to be paying postage. I've already paid postage when I bought the product, so and obviously it's your problem, so you need to fix it. Okay, bye.